Here, watch. There you go. Show Mom what you got. You show it to Mom? Those are seeds that goes with this. So you can grow some flowers. Okay. Do you want to do it at the table? Bring your basket over here. What are those? Socks.
That's mine.
They are socks for Josephine. Do you have some more?
Open.
What is that?
Candy.
Candies.
Open.
Yes, you take open the candies,
Yeah.
please.
Please.
I'll put a couple in your bowl. Okay.
And put in this.
One, two. There you go. Do you have more eggs to open?
Mm-hmm.
Can you open them?
Mm-hmm. And finish one candy.
Okay, finish your candy first. Is it yummy?